How to disable Automix in Apple Music on your Mac. If you don't want songs blending together or fading like a DJ mix, you can turn this feature off in just a moment. It gives you clean track-to-track playback without any transitions. So, firstly, we want to go to our Apple Music. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. And after you open your Apple Music, you should see the music icon over here at the top. So you want to go to settings, okay, and from here, if you are in the general, we want to look for playback. And from here we have option to like crossfade songs. So if you check the crossfade songs, it's going to disable Automix in Apple Music, okay? And that's basically all. So you can also adjust like timer, so you can select the seconds, how many you want. And then you simply need to click on OK to confirm it. And this was it. This is going to disable Automix in Apple Music. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.